to know if I can use the restroom. I'm a bit lost.
Go find the fuck you, bro! Everybody! Nobody no more! Fuck this.
Yo, Reds, I'm gonna tell you 1 month, dog. Dog, just I'm gonna tell you to give me till the end of the month to give you money, dog.
How much time I give you already?
Dog, you know what things said, dog. Things
No.
that you're gonna need to go through this.
You think I joke thing me there funny?
Dog, please, please.
You know how I say it, I'ma get shit done. Then you wanna threaten me with Keisha? You gonna kill me?
You have a problem with it? Then maybe you should make ice cook it next time.
Stop calling up Ice name. One thing, you love her name in your mouth or something?
And who you talk to?
Who you expect me to talk to? And you come on
Like that.
and you size me up? Eh? One thing. Don't do that shit.
Don't ever do that again.
So you're gonna shoot me?
You think I'm afraid?
I want to move in with you. I want to get a house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to like me and you just to live together and plan our future from there.
Babe, I would love that.
Yo, Ice.